Guys, it's Paul from Choose to Help Foundation. Today I found Adam on the street and he's with these two awesome dogs. This one is Lassie and the other one is Bobby. And Bobby is 5 years old and Lassie is 7 months old. And I brought some food for Adam, but unfortunately he cannot eat it in front of the dogs because they will just rip it apart. So he has to wait until he gets home, or maybe I'll take the dogs for the walk. So anyways, Adam lost his daughter. She was 27 years old and she died of cancer. He's right now out on the streets begging for money and we're gonna help him out. So please join us and see what we're gonna do for Adam, because we wanna help him out. He just told me that he's not into, he doesn't care about the money. He's just trying to get enough so he can get some food for himself, for his family, and for the dogs. And he doesn't care about himself. So he's wearing these old shoes. He's wearing old clothes, and we're gonna buy him. We want to buy him some coats. We want to buy him some sweaters. We want to buy him new pants. We will buy him some shoes, and there's some other things that we want to get for him. So join us, share the fundraiser, and we'll keep you posted once we get the things for Adam. Look at these dogs. I mean, these dogs are adorable. Look at that. He's so cute. The dogs are awesome. And one thing that I noticed is that Adam is taking care of the dogs and not taking care of himself. Like, can you imagine that? The dogs look better than him. And that hit my heart. So I'm all for Adam. Thank you.